Welcome to Bobbi Joe's. Today I'm making Parmesan Garlic Wings. These are very low carb and they are delicious. Now if you don't have a baking sheet with a rack, you can just put parchment paper down on your baking sheet and do it that way. The recipe actually calls for parchment paper, but I always do it on the rack because it makes the wings a little crispier. So we're going to start out with, you need 2 pounds of chicken wings. Make sure they're thawed out. You don't want frozen ones for this. And you want to make sure they're good and dry. I have sprayed this with avocado oil. Spray it with something to keep it from sticking to the rack. I'm not sure if I have 2 pounds of wings here, but guess I could have weighed it to see how much I have. But this is what we're going to have, so doesn't matter how much it is, it's what we're having. Okay, I'm going to dry these off and get them on this pan. Okay, in my little bowl, I have some ground black pepper. Needs to be about a half a teaspoon. I'm not sure how much I have there. Do a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can do a half a teaspoon, but I always do less salt than it calls for. 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano. And a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. We're just going to mix all this together and sprinkle it over our chicken wings. I'm going to flip these over. Okay, they're all seasoned on both sides. I'm going to stick it in the oven. The oven has preheated on 400 degrees, and we're going to bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the wings are done. So we'll be back in 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so I've got about 5 minutes left on the wings in the oven. This is a half a stick of butter, a 1/4 cup of butter. I'm going to place it in my little skillet and melt it. This is going to be the next step. Make sure you get all the paper off. You also need a 1/3 cup of Parmesan, grated Parmesan cheese. This was the last bit I had in a container. It's probably a little over a 1/3 cup. I'm just going to put it through my sieve because see how it clumps up? I want it all to be nice and smooth. See, it's getting all the clumps out. 2 cloves of minced garlic. I have this big thing of minced garlic that I got to use up before I go back to my cloves. So I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of this. One tablespoon of parsley. This is another one of those I grow in the garden. Dry out. Okay, and that's my 1/4 cup of butter, half a stick. If you're using a normal size stick, I know they make 1/4 sticks now, so. So we're just going to mix all this together. My wings are the timer for my wings about to go off. So here's my wings. Now we're going to take these wings and we're going to dip them and coat them in this sauce. All right, so be careful because the wings are hot. The pan's hot. You can actually put more than one in here at a time if you want to do it that way. Just kind of toss it around in there. turn the oven on broil, and we're going to broil these for about 2 minutes. I have my oven on the middle rack. I don't know if I told y'all that at the beginning of the video. And this extra sauce, we can just put some on these on the pan. Just brush a little bit on there. It's going to go down into the bottom here once that butter heats back up. This is supposed to be 2 pounds, and I've only got a pound and, what was it, a pound and a half, a little over a pound and a half. So that's probably why I have all this extra left. But we're just going to scoop it on there like that. All right, it's going to go in the oven on broil for about 2 minutes. Keep an eye on it, because broil will burn it quickly if you don't keep an eye on it. Okay, let's get it out of the oven. It's been on broil for 2 minutes. That's high broil. And, oh, those smell so good. They look good. I'm going to put a little bit more parsley on them. Garnish them with a little parsley if you want. If not, leave it like it is. You can also make a little extra of the butter Parmesan sauce, and you can use it as a dipping sauce. You could leave it like it was when it came out of the oven, and without putting this on it, and just use the Parmesan sauce as a dipping sauce, but it is so good when it's cooked on top like this. Okay, we'll try them out here in just a few minutes. These are garlic Parmesan wings. They're hot, straight out of the oven. So don't burn yourself as you're eating the garlic Parmesan sauce.
That fell off. Oh my goodness. These are so good. These are like those garlic knots you get at a...
Except they're meat.
Yeah, but they've got that garlic parm. Oh. You done good, babe. These are 2 thumbs up and drool worthy, and I'm gonna eat and chew.
Okay, they've got 0.4 grams of net carbs per serving. This makes 8 servings as an appetizer or 4 servings as a meal. 279 calories. Oh. And the nutrition information is based on 8 servings.
Okay. 8 servings is an appetizer for more than one person. 4 servings is a meal for one person. I was thinking, I want the appetizer. I don't want the meal. Okay.
Okay, so 0.4 net carbs. It's 0.4 carbs, 0.4 net carbs because there's no fiber in it. 279 calories, 21.1 grams of protein. Now I'm gonna go try them because they smell delicious. The whole house smells so good. But I'm heating up my pizza spaghetti squash to eat with it. So anyway, thank you for your review, Mr. Steve.
These are good.
And y'all have a very blessed day.